I was stressed out.
Yo, what's up everybody? It's Ethan, Texas Rough, and oh my gosh, my game is so laggy. I apologize for the lag, but my OBS is making my computer run slower. So, a lot of creators have been making videos on how you can make custom bells in RSS and attach them to crossings. So I figured I'd jump in and show you 2 different ways that you can make custom bells on railroad crossings. First thing you want to do is grab 2 crossing gates. I recommend the ones with the bell. Go down to decorations, go to signals, and then get the 2 crossing gates. Oh, I placed that one a little bit high, so I have to use my build tools to get that back down. Okay. And the reason why I'm doing this video is mainly because I've been doing it. And you also want to go to wiring and get yourself a trigger. Place that near the crossings. That way you can just extend it with your build tools. I'm showing you this way because this is probably one of the more ways people use it. And you also need to get this pass right here on the screen before you do anything else. This pass will ensure that you actually get to add the custom bells. And it's not too pricey and crazy. It's only 75 Robux. You can go and buy it and then continue with this video. Or you can just stay with the video and then buy it later. So you get your 2 speakers. And then what you're going to want to do is once you buy that pass, you'll be able to add some custom sounds. So go to the sound ID. And first of all, if you're on computer, go to the creator thing. If you're on mobile, just click off this video because I don't think there's a way to do it for mobile devices. There we go. Now the lag's out of the way, but you can search up SafeTran, GS Type 3s, WCH, any type of bells, even railroad, diamond things, and all that stuff. What is happening with my Roblox creator stuff? I'm just trying to, oh my gosh. There we go. So you can play this. Yeah, so basically it's copy the asset ID and then go and click on it and press F and then go to the sound ID. Change the volume to 0.6 and the roll off N to 50. That's what I use. Sound ID, copy and paste that thing into there. It may not work, so if you do the same thing for the other one, first of all, and then if the sound doesn't play, if you bought the pass, like I did, give it a little bit. I just got done before I started playing this video. I was working on a map that I spent an hour and 30 minutes on. I'm pretty sure my Rosekill sandbox is cooked. So, for me, you need to connect it, and then if it doesn't play, the gate should activate, and if it doesn't play, my thing is on. But if it doesn't play, then no need to worry, because that does happen. Even some of the, actual good, map makers in this game had to deal with that. So, shout out to Southern Ontario Rails for giving me this video idea, because most of y'all probably don't know who that is. And I actually have my own custom map right there. That's my username. Different crossing bells, changeable. This is how I did it. So, boom. I'm going to go ahead and stop yapping so you can hear this. I'm going to show you how to do it this way. So what you're going to want to do is first clear your plot, then go down to wiring, get yourself a button, place the button down, then go to same wiring, get a speaker, go to signals, get one of the signals that have no bell, the gateless ones, and then a gate, and then the actual gate one. I cannot speak. It is currently 6:30 at night. Then connect them. And once you do that, you can go back to the audio. You could paste that one in there, the one you already have from before. If it doesn't work, make sure you toggle on true. And if it's a looping one, turn on loop and consistent. So I just got another one from the marketplace. yet again, if they don't play, don't feel bad about yourself, because you did not do a step wrong. It's the RSS devs working on it to fix that. But now, I feel like I'm missing one step. And if all else fails, just restart your game, as I had to do here. Just restart your entire game. Boom, where you lose all progress. If you have a big map, obviously save your work. But if you're just doing this like how I'm doing it, I already have my big map saved. That's coming in the future. But for now, I reset everything. Do the same exact process that you are about to do. With that, I'm going to go ahead and speed this clip up so you already know how to do this. Okay. And if you don't play Roblox, then this video is not for you, but you can still tune into it if you really want. Yet again, do the exact same thing as you were doing, and we'll go over in a minute. Hold on, I got a cough. Sorry. Anyway, we can go over exactly what you need to do. Yet again, if they don't work, this video is muted, but I promise you when I was doing it, it did not work. But yet again, overview now. 1, make sure you buy the pass on the screen right now. 2, make sure you did everything correctly. If you did everything correctly and the sound doesn't play, don't feel bad about yourself. You did it right. It's just the game being stupid. And 3, hopefully you enjoyed this tutorial on how to add custom bells. And I hope if you're making a big map that this did help you. If it didn't, I'm sorry I wasted 6 minutes of your time. Guys, remember, most crucial part, buy the pass. You can't bypass this without the pass. If you buy the pass, guarantee, 1, it'll work. 2, you gotta wait for it to register that you bought it. Or 3, just, I don't know, wait a couple hours to a day. But don't try to bypass it without the pass, because it will not work. And then you'll be commenting in this video being like, it didn't work. Like, yes, it did. You just need to buy the pass. Let me actually stop yapping and let y'all get back to your day. I hope this tutorial did help you. And I hope you have a fantastic day or night whenever you're watching this. And I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.